Wow, is that a... Huh? Oh no, a bear! Hurry, hide!
Huh? What's going on?
There's something outside!
Hurry, close it!
Oh no, it's stuck! What are we gonna do?
Calm down, I have an idea. To fix the zipper, we just need a candle. Just put some wax on the zipper, then it'll close just fine.
Wow, thanks, Max.
No problem. What's out there anyway?
Let me peek. Oh, it's just a rabbit.
What? Oops. Careful, Ben. That rabbit might destroy the whole campsite.
Oh, whatever.
Hi, do you have a reservation?
My friends said they would be here. Oh, there they are. Oh, man. Oh, gosh, are you okay? I'm fine, but I broke my flip-flop. Don't worry, Ivy. I can fix that. Excuse me, do you have a paper clip?
Oh, yeah. Here you go.
Thank you so much. Mia, what am I supposed to do with a paper clip? Slide the toe piece through the paper clip. Now it can't slide through. Wow, Mia, I can't believe that worked. Thanks. No problem, Ivy. Let's go eat.
Oh, Amy, check out this cool video.
Ooh, let me see. Don't you want me to see the video?
I was just trying to show you.
Oh, let it go. Max, let me see the phone. I want to watch the video.
Oh, just watch for my hand.
What's going on?
Max won't let me watch the video.
Yes, I am.
Don't worry, guys. I have a solution for that. All we need is sunglasses. First, put the suitcase in between you guys.
Oh, okay. All right, what's next?
Now you just take the sunglasses and place them on the suitcase. Place the sunglasses like so, and then put your phone in. Now you guys can enjoy your video together.
Wow, thank you, Mia.
Of course.
Oh, look.
We're almost there. June, hurry up.
Wait up.
Ow. What's wrong, June?
My foot. I have a blister.
I can't finish the hike like this. What am I gonna do? Don't worry, June. I have just the thing. You do? To treat a blister, all you need is petroleum jelly. Just take some petroleum jelly
and apply it to the blister. It'll cure dryness and reduce pain.
One more thing. Apply a band-aid to reduce friction. How do you feel? Can you get going, June? Yeah, my blister's so much better. Thanks, Lily. No problem. Let's finish our hike. Yeah.
Come on, Lily. We're almost at the campsite.
Oh, I'm trying, Ivy. Wait for me.
Lily, are you okay?
I think I broke my arm. It hurts so much.
Don't worry, Lily. I'll help you. We'll hold your arm in place with a t-shirt. Put the sleeve up to your forearm. Now put your head through the top. The shirt will keep your arm in place, but we have to go to the hospital.
Thanks, Ivy.
Of course. Now here, let me help you.
I think it's time for takeoff. Yay! Ow, my ears hurt.
Oh, that's just the air pressure changing. Don't worry, I know what to do. Here, have this lollipop.
What's this lollipop do?
It'll help, trust me.
Okay.
Sucking on a lollipop will help relieve the pressure in your ears.
Wow, it worked. Thanks, Ivy.
Oh yeah, no problem.
And it's delicious.
Yeah.
Oh, look, it's the Crafty Tower. Ooh. Ouch! Ouch! The mosquitoes keep biting me. Oh!
Becca,
Get away!
don't worry, I got you. To get rid of mosquito bites, all you need is soda. The mosquitoes will be drawn to the sugar in the soda.
Thanks. Well, what do I do about the bites? They're so itchy.
That's easy. To treat mosquito bites, all you need is deodorant. Gently apply it to the bites. Deodorant contains the same ingredients as anti-itch cream, which reduces irritation. How do you feel now, Becca?
Wow, the bites are all gone now. Thanks, Ben.
No problem. Let's go to June's campsite. I heard they're making s'mores.
Ooh, I love s'mores. Let's go.
Max, stop! What do you think you're doing?
What are you talking about, Mia? I'm just trying to get some food.
Look at how dirty your hands are.
It's not that bad.
You're not touching this food until you wash your hands.
I don't have anywhere to wash my hands.
Don't worry, Max, I'm always prepared. To make soap flakes, all you need is a bar of soap and a veggie peeler. Just scrape the bar with the peeler. Now put them in a small container. Here, Max, use these. Pour the flakes onto your hands. Now add water and scrub.
Oh, my hands are all clean. Thanks, Mia.
No problem, now let's eat.
Yeah. Ooh, let me see. I want this one.
My back hurts.
Did you stretch before the flight?
No.
Well, I have a trick for that. Come on.
Wait, what?
All right, I'm going to show you how to stretch. Just follow my lead.
Okay.
Yeah. Stretching helps relax the muscles before a flight. How do you feel?
I feel great. Thanks, Max.
All right, let's get back to the flight. A bee? Don't make any sudden movements. Oh man, the bee stung me.
Ooh, that looks like it hurts. But don't worry, I know what can help.
Coins?
Yeah, check it out. Stack the coins and move the middle one. We'll use it as tweezers to remove the stinger.
Wow, that's genius, but my hand still hurts.
Calm down, Max. I have just the thing. We'll treat the sting with toothpaste. Put a bit of toothpaste on your finger. Now carefully apply it to the sting. The mint in the toothpaste will soothe the pain. How do you feel now, Max?
I feel great, my hand's all better. Thanks, Ben.
No problem. Ready to go hiking?
Yeah.
Hey, Lily, do you want to make some s'mores?
Yeah, I love s'mores.
All right, let's roast them. Okay. Oh man, there's mosquitoes everywhere. We can't roast marshmallows like this.
Wait, Mia, I know what to do. Don't worry. To repel mosquitoes, all you need is an egg carton and matches. First, set the egg carton down. And now, light a match. The smell of it burning will repel mosquitoes.
Wow, it worked. The mosquitoes are gone. Thanks, Lily.
No problem. Ready to roast some marshmallows?
Yeah.
I can't sleep. Why did I forget a pillow?
Oh, I know what'll help with that. For a makeshift pillow, all we need is our sweaters. Now all we have to do is roll it up. See? Pillow.
Let me try.
All right.
Ta-da!
Let's get ready for bed.
Okay.
Here's your complimentary snack.
Oh, thanks.
Sir!
Oh, sorry.
Oh, Ben, you spilled it on me.
Max, I'm so sorry. Ooh, I know. I'll put the case under the fabric, then put the phone on top. There we go.
Here you go.
Thanks.
Enjoy.
Oh, I love that movie.
Hey, Max. Huh? What are you doing? Our taxi leaves in 10 minutes.
Oh, sorry, Mia. I can't get my luggage closed.
Don't worry, Max. I know what to do.
You do?
First, take everything out and lay it down flat. You're not touching this food until you wash your hands.
How are they gonna fit in my suitcase like that?
I'm not done yet. We just have to fold it. Bring in all the ends to the center. Once everything's in the middle, fold it in half. Now place it in the suitcase.
Oh, it closed. Thanks a lot, Mia.
No problem, Max. Let's go before the taxi leaves us.
Yeah. Oh. Hi, I'd like to check in my bag, please.
Of course, sir. Do you know how much your bag weighs?
I don't know.
No worries, sir. I'll have you just weigh it on the scale for me.
Oh yeah, of course, no problem.
177 pounds. That's gonna cost $100 extra.
What? $100? Oh, I know. I'll be right back.
Okay, where are you going, sir?
Oh, I'll just wear some of these shirts so I don't have to pay the overweight fee. All right, now to weigh my suitcase again.
Oh, hi, sir. Let's weigh your bag again.
Okay.
Oh, that works. You get a free check bag.
Yes. Oh, at least I'll be warm on the flight.
Yeah, have a great flight. Fly safe.
Thank you.